Hello guys and welcome back to Crabby Media. This is my 2000 Yamaha Blaster that I traded my 2003 KX85 for, and we are going to be restoring it, and I'm going to bring you all along for the process. Okay, as you can see, somebody did a very bad paint job on it. They went a little crazy with the rattle can, but I'm going to pressure wash it and we'll see how it looks after. Okay, it has been a day, and I rode it the other day and it cut out and it bogged on me. We destroyed the piston rings. It has 30 PSI, so I guess we're really rebuilding her. So come along with me. I know I'm not too thrilled, but it's all right. We're gonna make it better. We've got the frame and everything pretty torn apart so far. Now I'm just going to take a Scotch Wrap head and I want to try and clean up this frame a little bit. It is pretty dirty, as you can see, and then I'm going to start tearing the top of the head and seeing what the true problem is with it. Here's how it sits right now. Just got everything off, mostly. It's about time to take the motor out. Okay, so we're back for day 3. So I will be painting and prepping and just doing random stuff. So I got a pipe, I got the guards on the side, and I will be using this for the pipe. So we'll see if it sticks on there. It might not. Who knows? Here's how it sits. I've taken it apart a good amount so far. It's been a struggle, but we got it. Okay, so here's the pipe. A little before. It is beat and very nasty and rusty. Scott sprayed it, cleaned it. So we'll see what the paint does. Okay, so here's a lot of the parts. They're drying. At the front bumper, the exhaust, and the back skid plate. Honestly, it didn't turn out too bad yet. I took the head off. The piston is pretty bad. As you can see, it's pretty scorched. The rings are stuck in place pretty good. The top of the piston was hitting this, and you can see those little chunks that are taken out. And the chunks were going down.
I don't think it's that complicated. I think it's ran out gas.
Yeah. But it was hitting. So all those chunks came down and scored that piston. The first coat of spray paint. The frame already looks 10 times better than it did. So I will check in tomorrow for the little special thing I got for it. Okay, this is just a little quick update. I'm in the midst of moving, but yesterday I painted the frame and it is beautiful. Just look at that. So the frame is done. I'm not too sure what we'll be doing next, but I'll be back soon. I'm not too sure when the next day I'll be working on this is, but we'll see. For you all, it'll be like the next 10 seconds. For me, it'll be, I don't know when. It's been a little bit. It's been like a month or two since I have picked up the camera and went again. But behind me is the Blaster. Here she is in all of her glory. After waiting forever, I've forgot to film a lot of the process, but everything is done with the Blaster, and I think it looks beautiful. Like, just the blue. That's the only thing that I've kept on here, and the tires, of course, that is really like either not painted or not stock, or just all of that. You can see a little better. One of the bolts fell out on the first ride, so that's a temporary fix until we get everything put back together. But I just wanted to show you a little update on how everything's looking. So I'm gonna dub over some clips of first time it running, some along the way process, like the plastics on there we painted. I don't know if I have any photos or videos of that, but we used some blue rattle spray can on there. And it actually turned out way better than I thought. Like, you can see from the beginning of the video to now of the difference of how it looks and just everything about it. And the reason that it blew up, we finally did figure it out. So the head, it's normally like 1.2, like the sizing. And whoever owned it before me shaved it down to 0.6. They do that to get more compression. It's the cheap way. That is why she blew up in the first place. So if anybody's watching this and they're like, oh, that might be a good idea, it's not. It will blow up. and somebody like me will probably buy it from you before it blows up, and it's going to blow up on them. So I just would not advise to do that. And the next time I pick this camera up, hopefully we'll be riding and you all get to hear it in its full capabilities, and we'll get some riding footage. So I'll see you all then.
Welcome to Crabby Media, bitches. I'm Nick.
There you go, right there. Come on, Jay.
Cousin Jay, son. Come on now.
Hayden. There you go. Bam.
Thanks for a close up.
There we go. Stop playing. Again, the blaster is done. We're riding. Jason's about to attempt a wheelie. Nick said that was gay. Oh, he got it.
Bro, I almost hit 12.
What'd you think about those wheelies?
Pretty sweet.
Yeah, I'm right, dude.
Nah, they was donkey. Dude.
The last and final guest has been resurrected. Got the biker boys going for him. Can you describe Samuel in less than 2 words?
In 2 words?
Yep.
Most.
This man right here. Dude, what are you doing?
Watch the fight, bro.
You're watching the fights?
See? Most good.
Haley with the donut. Come on now. What do you think about that?
I wish I had goggles.
Wow! Hit the blaster! Why would you do that?
Wheel three.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we are currently going to the playground. I will pick up the camera when we are back there. The blaster running amazing. Come on now. Hear that power band? Come on. Come on, Hayden.
I'm trying not to eat going down that big ass hill. Just don't grab no front brake.
Come on, Jay. Come on. Jay, what's the problem, man?
Look at it. Huh? Hey, the middle one is probably the easiest. Because I've done so many burnouts on the far one, it's just straight ass clay. So I would go down that one, hold back brake, circle around, look at it, see what you think. Run up it a couple times.
Would you like someone else to hit it first?
Hit like who?
I mean, I'll hit it on the blaster.
That ain't nothing. I want Hayden to hit it.
Ooh.
That's a call out. He said no.
He said,
Hit it first. Yeah, but
if I hit it first,
Bike stuck down there, dude, that's gonna suck wiener.
We'll get it out.
Thing out.
we're gonna get it out somehow or not.
We'll get it out.
I mean, we could drag it out.
Yeah.
There you go, Jace. You like that idea?
Huh?
Drag your bike out.
Oh yeah.
Drag it until you
2026.
can
I
ride
love
it
that
again.
idea. Fucking great.
Go down the far side.
Oh, you're launching up into three?
Yeah.
You may want
There it is. Hey, Jace.
I want to see this guy hit it from down here.
You want to see him hit it from down here?
I'm gonna let it sit here and idle for a minute. For a minute. Oh, it's just the battery.
What'd you say? What about it? Light work. Thursday. Woo! Where is he going? No way. Oh, he hit a tree. Let's go. Let's go. I'm running over. I don't know what he's doing. He just smoked the tree in the Ranger. I don't know if you'll fit. Oh! He did, he fit. We're following Dad. We got the hand cam, I'm on foot. Oh my gosh, I'm about to slip. It rained earlier before this. Okay, so we're back. Dad's at the same exact spot. We lost him for a little bit, but we found him. Oh, the mirror is broke now. You can see that. Stuck on the tree.
You scared me.
So I don't think the Ranger has full drive. Oh, it does.
Hey!
Hey,
Keep going!
keep going.
You got it. Oh, next bushel.
There you go. Now back down to your right. You got it. Come on.
That's the tree. Still two-wheeling.
Hey, keep turning left. I'll push you up.
Turn left?
Yeah, so you don't hit that big fucking tree right there.
Okay.
You want to push
Go
up?
on.
Oh!
There you go.
There you go. Oh! Don't move.
The tail light, that whole rear end. Look at that. You can get a cut your glimpse of that right there. We will get an aftermath, but look at that. That thing is destroyed. The whole rear end.
Now turn left and go forward. All the way left.
Woo! Right! Brakes! That's the campfire, you're good. Let's see the rear end. Oh my! Oh my! Oh! The mirrors. This thing is totaled.
I have the video.
Oh my god.
What a legend.
What do you think about that?
What a legend.
What do you think about that?
Hey,
Come on!
is there any damage to the front of the rig?
No, whoa, Jace! Jace! Come on! Yeah.
Mom is gonna be
Look.
pissed.
Dude.
Was he down here yet?
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he was following it.
Yeah, that the mirrors, every
If I didn't push him, he wasn't making it. He couldn't get up enough speed.
that thing don't have four-wheel drive anymore.
He's like, turn left? I'm like, yeah, you don't see the big fucking tree?
Look.
Old Papa Crab gets down. He needs
does,
a little
dude.
pushing sometimes.
The Razor did good, dude. You banked that thing off the
Yeah.
limiter. Off the limiter.
Yeah, I mean, it was to the floor.
Jenny's
Oh,
gonna be so
yeah, Papa Crab's gonna be real mad. He's still up there turning. What are you doing?
He's not ready.
Here comes Jace.
My dog bike.
Come on, Jace.
Go, go, go!
Woo!
He doesn't want to go home.
You missed a good show by Dad.
Dude, I come down there and fucking they was in the,
Whoa.
I slowed down and I couldn't get back up.
Okay.
When I drove
A light?
Don't step right there, I just missed.
Yeah, we see it.
I think it just hit your bar.
Yeah, it's just your bar.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah, you're good. Look, you can see the paint.
Stick out of the radiator though.
You can see the
It ain't leaking. We're good.
you can see the paint that's rubbed off.
That's fine. I ain't worried about that.
Dude, that was awesome.
Dude, Papa Crab gets down.
He does
even
get
when
down.
he can't.
What happened?
What happened?
We beat the hell out of it.
Come look at it, Mom.
Look at it. No,
Come on.
The whole back of it's
The
torn
whole
off.
tail light's hanging.
That was
That's
awesome.
nothing. The mirrors are broke off.
Let's go
I
around.
loved it. Why are you stopping now?
Oh, mirror.
Ooh,
Here's a mirror.
that's fine.
Stuff's outside. Okay.
It's not supposed to be on the road. I'll never get your money out of it. So why
Oh.
Oh, Nick, come back here. Nick. Oh my gosh.
Did I dent it?
Oh my days.
Oh, I did dent it.
Yeah. Oh my.
Oh, yeah.
Now,
Look.
this was straight tree. That was me.
Both mirrors are gone.
Look at these. Oh. Some more. You know what? I didn't get this on. You know, both headlights are cracked.
Hey,
Push me.
that was awesome.
That was the
do it
funnest
again.
thing I've ever. That was insane.
Well, Chloe said that was the best time of her life.
Yeah, it
That
was
was so
awesome.
fun. I was so worried.
I need to
I will.
put like
I was
some
dying, but
exo
I
cage.
mean,
You didn't almost die.
Perfect.
why did? Oh,
Dude, look at that jawline.
Go. It's been a Crabby Media production. Come back for more.
Okay. I ain't going. You know what happened last time I was out here? Does it still have it in her? Woo! Man,
Want to see what she gets?
you gotta see what she got? Give her a go. There it is! Come on! Whoa! The headlights are up. Good?
I believe so. We'll find out tomorrow.
You can't kill a Toyota! Can't kill him!
I don't like that little hump right there.
Messed you up, man?
Yeah.
She's.
Did you hear it when it came off that bump over there?
Yeah, I was like, whoa.
Well, I thought it was the axle. I didn't know what it was.
Smells hot.
My Black King.
That's my boy right there. Come on. Come on.
And I looked up or what?
Dude, I was a little behind, but that was tough. What do you think about that?
I got mud sprayed all over my hair.
Hayden ain't never done a burnout in a truck like this.
What'd you think about that, Hayden?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Mama Crab said you better bring it back for you roll that bitch.
Oh, I ain't gonna roll it.
And this has been the first episode of
I don't know.
Crabby Media.
Oh yeah, Crabby Media.